to give a focus on matters skincare. You know, a lot has been said about skincare. Is it a women's thing or a men's and women's thing? Anyone can do skincare. Can kids do skincare? And with me in studio, I have an expert for that. That is Peris Mbuthia, a medical aesthetician, a timeless medical spa, to help me drive this conversation on skincare. What do you need to know in regards to your skin? How do you identify your skin type? The cost of skincare, because there have been conversations as well around how much does skincare really cost? Is it that costly, or can anyone and everyone afford, you know, skincare? Is it serums? Is it moisturizers? Is it sunscreens? So what is really the basic point to skincare, and where do you start? Peris is here to help us with that. So do interact with us on our socials, TV47 Digital on X. You can tag me as well at @Ann_Dide. If you have a question for Peris here, you can call in live. There will be a number on your screen very shortly. That is our call-in number. You can also send in your WhatsApp message or comment or question that you might have. We'll be sure to read it here for Peris, and if at all you want any question answered. Peris, karibu sana to TV47 once again. I understand this is not your first time.
No.
The studio looks already nice, and you have a book here, Scarred and Skin, a memoir of trauma, change and resilience, and we'll be getting deeper into this, of course, as we continue. But your bio says a medical aesthetician. You know, there has been also a discourse around an aesthetician and a dermatologist.
Exactly.
So what role do you play in regards to skincare treatment as opposed to what a dermatologist does?
Everything a dermatologist can do, what I cannot do is give you prescription. I don't do prescription. So we sort of do the same thing in school, apart from they go ahead and finish where they now become the doctor title and they can give prescription. Yeah, so same number of years in school, different sort of major. I just majored in treating skin using non-invasive treatments, while the doctors can even do invasive treatment. Do you see the difference? The dermatologist and medical aesthetician, that's the difference. Yeah.
And you know, I'm asking this because I saw it sometimes on TikTok when somebody was asking a content creator about, you know, the type of skincare that they're using, and somebody commented that, you know, I'm an aesthetician, you can come to my clinic and we can do 1, 2, 3. And it was a conversation around, no, you know, aestheticians cannot really help you in regards to your skincare, because sometimes, you know, the discourse was around you can recommend a skincare treatment that might alter with, you know, the skin barrier and everything and all that.
Very true.
So how comes now you as aesthetician now coming to just give safer products that will not really alter the skin barrier of somebody who is into skincare?
I think first of all, it starts with how well informed are you? Especially, let me talk about here where we are in Kenya. I'm a trained medical aesthetician, not in Kenya, because in Kenya there's nobody training it. As far as I know, there is no, right, not unless they've started the other day. I pride myself to be one of the people who 10 years ago opened medical spa in Kenya. Now they're mushrooming, they're everywhere. But when I first opened Timeless Medical Spa, there were only a few. I think there were only 5 medical spa that were owned by dermatological offices, right? So you have to be very well informed as a customer. The person who's calling themselves aesthetician, these are different. I called myself medical aesthetician. I'm not an aesthetician.
I'm medical.
There's a huge difference. So who is this person giving you advice? Are they medical aesthetician? Have they gone to college, studied everything to do with skin science? Or is it somebody who did beauty and now they're calling themselves aesthetician? There's a huge difference. I think that's where people need to understand the difference, right? It's like a dentist saying, I treat skin. The dentist went to school to learn about treating teeth, right? A dermatologist went to school to learn about skin. A medical aesthetician went to school to learn about skin science. An aesthetician went to school to learn basic skin treatment. Are we together up to that level?
We are, right.
That's the difference. So my advice to consumers would be that be very well informed when you go to trust somebody with your skin. Where did they go to school? Who trained them? Yeah? Understand that.
Due diligence.
And ask questions. What are you using on my skin? What does it do? Who taught you about it? Where is it manufactured? All those things are very, very important. This machine you're using, did you just order from China? and it came with some instruction of how to use it, and that's how you're using it in my skin now. Or did you go to school and learn how to use the machine? Because that's the mistake that we're having these days. Anybody can now go to Amazon.com, Alibaba.com and order a machine and open a clinic, and not a clinic. Mine is a clinic, by the way. Timeless Medical Spa is a clinic, right?
Yeah.
There's a different. Now, however, people are just going online, buying machine, go online. TikTok now has become a teacher, train themselves how to do skin. The next thing, apparently, they own an esthetician clinic. It's not a clinic. So be very